something they're thankful for their parents.
I'm thankful for my parents for always supporting me and letting us have dance practices at our house.
I'm thankful for my parents for putting in time to take me to competitions and for being parents to all the girls here too, watching over us, like Chicago for example. I just appreciate you guys for taking your time. It just shows that you guys care.
I'm thankful for my mom, and I'm thankful for all the other moms as well, especially Lila's mom, because she was sewing my Bollywood dress at like 2 in the morning, trying to complete it. And I'm also very thankful for all you guys who did my hair for the Milwaukee New Year. I had like 5 people doing my hair, trying to get my hair done as soon as possible. So I'm very thankful for that.
Okay. I want to say thank you to my mom and dad for allowing me to dance for 7 years straight and for supporting me through all these years, driving me to practice and competitions, and for just being there for me through the dance journey.
Um, I want to say thank you for supporting me and helping me throughout my dance journey this year. Without you guys, I couldn't have done anything. And thanks for letting me dance next year.
I want to say I'm really thankful for my mom because my mom has put me in this dance group since the beginning of the year, and she has really supported me since throughout, I guess, 4 of the years, and I'm continuing. So yeah, even though my mom, my dad didn't really want me to continue doing dance next year, but my mom convinced my dad to make me dance again because it's a really good thing for me, and I agree too because dancing is my passion and I couldn't resist my girls. So yeah, thank you for me.
Okay, I want to say thank you to my parents for just taking care of me, as your daughter. And every single early morning we've had at competitions, waking up and helping me with everything. I'd like to thank my parents just for supporting me through all of my years through dance, and even though you may not be there for specific occasions and competitions, you always have a way of telling me that you support me in that. Mom, thank you for Mom. Thank you for everything you've done for me this year, not only as a dance mom, but as a mother in general. You came into this journey not knowing much, but learned along the way with me. Thank you for trusting me as your daughter, and I hope I made you proud. I appreciate everything you do. I love you, Mom.
I want to say thank you to my parents. Couldn't make it today, but I know that they're always supporting me, even though they can't make it to this competition. But I know they do a lot for me. They pay for my dance outfits, and they show that they care about me and they support me, even after dancing for many years with Diane. I really do appreciate them for how much they sacrificed for me.
Wow.